శ్రీమన్మహాభారతము 476th డే. ఓం అస్మద్గురుభ్యో నమః. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. ఇన్ శ్రీమన్మహాభారతము సభాపర్వము 36th chapter, Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Vaisampayana Maharshi teaching Sriman Mahabharatam to Janamejaya Maharaju, saying like this: O Raja, in Dharmaraju's Rajasuya Yagam, there are so many kings. Bhishma Pitamaha saying to Dharmaraju like this: O Dharmaja, try to give the first arghyam to the best one, to the strongest one of all these kings. Then Dharmaraju asking, O Bhishma Pitamaha, kasmai bhavan manyate arghyam ekasmai kurunandana. Whomever you think that is the best of all these kings, please tell me what is your opinion. Then Bhishma Pitamaha ततो भीष्मः शान्तनवः बुद्ध्या निश्चित्य वीर्यवान् अमन्यत तदा कृष्णम् अर्हणीयतमं भुवि. He, with his great amount of intellect, he decided that Sakshat Sri Krishna Paramatma is the best one of all those kings and he should be the respected by Dharmaraj in the first place. And then he is saying that, O Dharmaja, Eshakyesham samastanam tejo bala parakramaihi. In Tejassu and strength and valor, Krishna is the best one. As and how the sun glows out of all the galaxies, just like that Sri Krishna Paramatma glowing here. Only with him bhasitam hladitam chaiva krishne nedam sadohinaha. This Rajasuya Yagam is glowing only with the presence of Sri Krishna. Now we are all enjoying because only Krishna Paramatma is here. So that is why you need to give the first arghyam to Sri Krishna Paramatma. Like that Bhishma Pitamaha said and ordered Sahadeva to make all the arrangements. Sahadeva made all the arrangements and Dharmaraju gave the first arghyam to Sri Krishna Paramatma. Krishna Paramatma also pratijagraha tat Krishnaha Shastra Drushtena Karmana. He also received that arghyam as a most spiritual and religious act. Whereas Sisupala could not endure that, could not take that, and he started accusing Bhishma, Dharmaraju and Vasudeva in that assembly. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Jai Sriman Narayana. Jai Sriman Narayana. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to our parents. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to our Acharya. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Vedavyasa Maharshi. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Vigneswara Swami. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to the divine scripture Sriman Mahabharatam. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Krishna Paramatma. Let us meditate upon Sriman Narayana who is there within our own heart. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram and sing the glory of Sriman Narayana. Sriman Narayana 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 Sriman Narayana Narayana Narayana. Sriman Narayana came down as Sri Krishna Paramatma and gave us Bhagavad Gita and asked all of us to do 8 things. That is why let us respond back to Sriman Narayana saying that we will definitely do those 8 things. हो श्रीमन्नारायण करिष्ये वचनं तव सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु। जय श्रीमन्नारायण। जय श्रीमन्नारायण। A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Srimannarayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. Ho Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. Ho Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. Ho Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. Ho Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. Ho Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. Ho Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. Ho Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. Ho Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.